Here we have the Range Rover Autobiography in Santorini Black. This is a 4.4 V8. You have privacy glass, 22-inch alloys, 5 split spoke. A powered tailgate with plenty of space for all your personal items, and controls along with an electrically deployable tow bar. Going into the front of the vehicle, you have illuminated Autobiography tread plates and a full leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. Front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you're going on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Sat nav. And a rear view camera with a 360-degree option, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Everything can be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. You also have cruise control with the speed limiter and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. This car also has a heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled front seats, which are also massage, which is a luxury to have. The front seats are also memory, which is handy if there's several people driving the car. And you also have a Meridian sound system. This car's done 45,027 miles. And stepping back outside the car, that was the Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 131. Thank you.